A massive wildfire in LA suburb has burned buildings and caused thousands of evacuations. Hurricane-force winds are tearing through the Pacific region as the almost 300-acre blaze engulfs the area. Around 30,000 people have been ordered to evacuate amid the fast-spreading flames. More than 13,000 structures are under threat. Multiple homes have been burnt down as powerful winds spread embers far and wide. Los Angeles County Fire Chief has warned that they are now not out of danger at the moment, adding that the winds are expected to pick up.
I want to let all of the viewers and listeners know that we are not out of danger. The National Weather Service has predicted that the winds are going to pick up and get worse. We're going to have the most significant wind event between 10 p.m. this evening and 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's incumbent that everybody have a wildfire action plan for their home. If they live in a brush-covered area, please visit the LA County Fire Department website for ready, set, go information.
Hundreds of firefighters have swarmed the area, attacking the blaze from the ground and from the air. Crews are working in steep terrain to cut back vegetation and create fire breaks. California Governor Gavin Newsom has said that he saw many structures already destroyed. The White House has said that the President, Joe Biden, has been briefed on the fire and his team is in touch with local officials to offer federal assistance. Across town, on the northern edge of LA, another fire broke out in Eden Canyon near Pasadena, quickly consuming 200 acres. The wildfire threatened homes in an upscale selection of LA, forcing evacuations after officials had already warned of extreme fire danger from dry, powerful winds. Huge billows of smoke could be seen billowing from the hills from miles away as flames encroached on nearby homes. The fire was fueled by Santa Ana winds that blow warm and dry winds from the inland desert towards the coast. As per the National Weather Service, this could be the strongest Santa Ana windstorm in more than a decade across LA and Ventura counties.